Good morning, Skiles Test. My name is Ashley Livingston. Today is Wednesday, April 27th, 2011.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah Owens. To honor America, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. Please join me in a moment of silence. Thank you.
This week's wow word is thorough. Thorough means complete. Make sure to check her room thoroughly. Today's menu is rotani with garlic toast, fish nuggets with roll, mixed veggies slaw, assorted fruit juice, free treat with lunch.
Today's birthdays are Jade and Corey. Now here's Mr. Brooks with the principal's point.
And good morning, Skiles Test, and also a special happy birthday to a famous American, Ulysses S. Grant. Have you heard of that name? Here is his story. He was born in Ohio in 1822. He was a terrible student, but a good general. During the Civil War, he smashed Confederate defenses in the West. Meanwhile, the Union commander in the East wasn't attacking, which disturbed President Lincoln. "If you are not using your army," Lincoln said, "I would like to borrow it for a while." Instead, he decided to put Ulysses S. Grant in charge of the army, and he did a great job, and he did it well, and before long, the war was over. So famous American Ulysses S. Grant, famous general in the Civil War, happy birthday. He was born in 1822. An announcement today, tomorrow night, Thursday, April the 28th, from 6:30 to 8:30, is our last family fun night of the year. It will be here at school from 6:30 until 7:20. We're going to have silly safaris here, and they'll be doing 2 free shows. We will also have an animal-themed craft in the STEM room. Ritter's will be serving ice cream in the cafeteria for $3 for a small one, $4 for a medium, or $5 for a large one. Ritter's will donate 20% of their ice cream purchases right back here to Skiles Test. So be sure to enter the raffle for the free Silly Safari's birthday party. This is a $200 value. Spiritware will also be on sale. So again, family fun night tomorrow night here at our school beginning at 6:30. Ritter's ice cream and Silly Safaris will be showing 2 shows at 6:30 and at 7:20. Sounds like a lot of fun. Finally today, it's raining. It's so far this year in central Indiana, it has rained 7.5 inches. About that much. The wettest place on earth? Cherrapunji, India. It's a small town in India. Every year they have 500 inches of rain. So while we have 7.5, we'll do okay. They get 500 inches of year rain. Imagine that. Next up, we've got some news about recycling. We've got This Day in History, and we've also got a weather report. Stay tuned.
Good morning, Skiles Test. I'm McKenna Eisenhut. This week we will be picking up your recycling bins at 3 o'clock on Wednesday because of ISTEP. So teachers, please put out your bins at 3 o'clock. And remember, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you.
April 27th.
In 1822, the Union Civil War general and 18th President Ulysses S. Grant was born in Point Pleasant, Ohio. On this day in 1937, the very first Social Security checks were mailed out. In 2005, President Vladimir Putin became the first Russian head of state to visit Israel.
Себе на работу, и так началась моя политическая карьера.
And on this day in 4977 BC, the universe was created. Not really, but that's what renowned 17th century German astronomer Johann Kepler believed. But when it came to calculating the exact date of the Big Bang, he was off by about 13.7 billion years. And that's this day in history.
Hi, good morning, Skiles Test. This is Nia Russell, and I'm Alexis Pageant. We're here to talk about the weather. It will rain and possibly a thunderstorm, severe storms with heavy rain. The high is near 70, but there is a 100% chance of rain. 3/4 to an inch of rain. Now to Nia Russell.
The low will be around 46 degrees Fahrenheit. The west winds are between 9 and 15 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 90%. All information came from the National Weather Service. Back to the anchors.
Good luck on I-STEP. Remember, AMPD.
Absolutely no put downs. See ya.